that little peaceful cleaning, bed making, laundry montage. That is how I spent my morning, and then I finally got dressed and decided I should probably eat some lunch. Which brings me to today's sponsor. Can we just hold for applause for my first sponsor since being back? Thank you, Green Chef, for sponsoring this video. You guys are the best. If you haven't heard of Green Chef, I'm gonna explain to you how it works. Green Chef is a USDA certified organic company, which we love. And you can choose from any of the 4 meal plans, which include paleo, plant-powered, keto, and balanced living. I chose the plant-powered because I'm really trying to incorporate more plant-based meals into my life. The recipes are quick and easy, and they have a step-by-step guide with all of the instructions and the ingredients, and everything is pre-portioned and mostly prepped for you. So pretty much all of the busy work and the grocery shopping is cut out of this. They deliver the meals fresh to your door, which is just amazing. If you guys want to try out Green Chef, go to greenchef.us/Maddie90 and use code Maddie90 for $90 off, including free shipping on your first box. I'll have it on the screen and linked below. We're making chickpea salad sandwiches with roasted curry spiced carrot fries. I'm starving. Whip, who dis? I got a new car a couple weeks ago. I was still driving my Bug, which was my very first car, and it needed some repairs that were gonna cost a bit of money, and the car was not worth very much. So I just decided sell the car instead of doing the repairs because it didn't make sense for me to put money into a car that wasn't worth very much. So sold that car, got a new car, and this is my mom car for the rest of my 20s, and I'm very excited about it. And that's that. Sir, what is this guy doing? We're on 3rd Street and he's just hanging out the top of his car. I decided to come and get a car wash. I'm just gonna do the drive-through because the inside of my car is still pretty clean, but it's a little dusty from parking on the street. Our produce basket is a little out of control. Lindsay and I both just went to the grocery store. We're all stocked up. I usually try to go to the farmer's market, but that didn't happen this week, so I just went to the store. I poured myself a glass of wine. Everybody was panic shopping because of the election. People are freaking out that there's gonna be riots or a civil war or something. So people are panic shopping and stores are boarding up their windows. This will not be posted until post-election. So by now we will know who won. I pray to God that it is Biden. I'm a little scared. I hope you all voted. I really, really, really hope you all voted. I mean, me saying that now is not as helpful, but Dear God, I'm praying. Let's cook a little dinner.